So could you tell me a bit more about Software Mind, please?
Software Mind is a Polish-based company. We're based in Krakow, Poland. What we're doing at our embedded service unit, we're supporting manufacturers from various industries. That's not only about supporting production processes, that's also about helping our clients to in the development of the individual stages of their products development, and also the development of products from end to end. And that's why we're here, that's why we're collaborating with you guys.
Here you have a prototype that you built for a specific customer about anomaly detection. Can you tell me more about it?
This is the fruit of our collaboration with a company called Marani. This is the leader in screw compressors in Poland, in Central Europe actually. The challenge that they had was to enhance the level of maintenance they provide to their customers, where it's very critical to ensure that the compressors are doing fine and there are no failures in the production line, where the compressed air is critical to carry on. The challenge was also to decrease the cost of maintenance of the compressors, and they wanted to be aware when the failure of components is coming. One of such examples is, for example, failure of the bearing on the shaft. To do that, they have been collecting the data from the sensors mounted on the housing of the compressors, but they have been looking for a proper way to analyze that data and detect those anomalies at the very early stages. And that's where your IMX8M Plus comes up, as well as Torizon OS.
So I wanted to know more about what was the decision-making process, why you chose Toradex and Torizon for this demo.
First, our customer was searching for an industry-grade type of platform where we could very easily deploy the TensorFlow models. So the natural choice for us was the Verdin IMX8 Plus board, because it gives us the flexibility, and also it actually works with Torizon OS. It's very easy to deploy, and the possibility to change the parameters and upgrade it from the cloud actually gives us even more efficiency and flexibility to test it in the field. On the other hand, the Toradex gives us the possibility to connect with different sensors. Right now we are using a single sensor, 3-axis accelerometer for vibration detection, but in the final solution we are thinking to connect different, up to 6 sensors per machine. And we are also thinking about adding IO-link type of sensors, so industry-grade type of sensors. And because of Toradex being so, I would say, modular way, it's easy for us to actually deploy those drivers and manipulate the data within the Torizon OS. So our customers would like to have this kind of a flexibility of the solution. Sometimes it's going to be a simple solution when you can have 1 or 2 sensors that are going to monitor only the screw compressors, but sometimes the machines are a little bit more complex. So we need to also monitor the vibration not only on the compressor itself, but also on the gearboxes. So that actually, that's why we chosen this time industry type of solution with a kind of a, I would say, performance, high performance for the future use cases.
Thank you again so much for working with us on this prototype, and I'm looking forward to our future collaboration.
Yeah, it was really fun. It was really fun working with Toradex, because we had really great support from your engineering team. So I'm really looking forward to the collaboration in the future as well. Thank you, Carlos.